Hi everyone. Creating low poly designs manually is quite a time-consuming process. In this video, I will teach you a simple one-click step to do this. First, I create a triangle using the polygon tool. Then I have these shapes. They look the same, so I am changing the colors. Select and go to the File menu, then Scripts, and Triangulator. This script link is mentioned in the description. How to download and install a script video is uploaded on my channel, link mentioned in the description. Press the Alt button when starting the script to adjust the number of points added to the shape. But when I press the Alt button it disappears. I do it multiple times to bring this menu. I have a solution for this. You can change the Alt button to another one. I will teach you this at the end of this video, so stay connected. Enter points and hit OK. These are separate triangles, you can edit these very easily. You can see a black line here, we can undo this very easily. Select all, add outline color to it. Then click on None button. And that's it. Let's move to the second one. Apply script to it. Add point and hit OK. Remove the outline with the same process. To change its color, click on the Recolor button. You can bring this recolor option from the Edit menu. Let's move to the last one. Apply script to it. Add point and hit OK. You can adjust it point with Direct Selection tool. Remove the outline with the same process. Now I will teach you how we can change the Alt button setting. Close your Adobe Illustrator. Open the C drive of your computer, Program File then Adobe. Open the Adobe version and follow my steps. Double-click on the script. And open it with Notepad. Find and replace the ALT with CRTL in both places. Press Ctrl+S to save. And open Adobe Illustrator. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.